The delegates of ACI 2025 are getting the chance to visit this beautiful destination of Tanzania. After all the 6th day, this is the 7th day of ACI 2025. In this video, we are taking you to the Ngorongoro Crater, one of the most beautiful places on earth, Tanzania's gem. Welcome to the 7th day and the last day, the social day of ACI 2025 conference.
Today really is an amazing day. I believe this was the best. You have a very beautiful country and good luck.
It's my first safari trip ever, and I was telling the guys today that this is one of the best days of my life. I was able to see animals and nature, which is things that I love the most. And Tanzania is one of the best countries I've ever been.
You get to see how the animals, even the human beings, get together as one and just enjoy what wonders created by God.
From the moment we arrived to the Kilimanjaro airport, it's a unique, beautiful airport. Till the guys in the hotel, the safari was exceptional. Really, bravo on this country.
Nilipata nafasi ya kutembelea Ngorongoro nikiwa darasa la 7, lakini siku ya leo najivunia nchi yangu sana. Sio kwamba tu mimi ninaona jinsi tulivyojaliwa nature, tulivyojaliwa culture nzuri, tulivyojaliwa watu wazuri, lakini najivunia kuwa watu wanatoka mataifa mbalimbali kuja kuona ambacho ni asili yao.
Nasikia furaha sana kuwepo hapa leo. Sio mara yangu ya kwanza. Lakini kwa kipindi hichi katika hali ya kuwa ni muda mrefu sijafika, najivunia sana.
Wageni ambao wote tumekuja nao wameenjoy, wanafurahi, wanasema this is amazing. Really amazing.
If you have not been to Ngorongoro, you have not really ticked off anything as life experiencing as this. So my call to everyone that is watching this, do yourself a favor. Come to Zambia, come to Arusha, come and experience Ngorongoro.